Hello there YouTube, my name is Adi. I'm 15 years old, actually 16, turning 16 this August, and I've started my own YouTube channel. I shall be posting travel vlogs, documentaries, book reviews, tech reviews, anything of that sort for which I find interesting and which you'll find interesting too. The main reason why I started this channel is to provide quality content for you guys, as well as for you guys to like, share and subscribe if you like. In this video I shall be showing you guys my daily essential travel kit and basic survival kit which I carry around every day. Firstly, this is my laptop. It's a Sony YOT Series 15 Touch Ultrabook. It has a 15.5 inch screen and it has a i7 core processor, a hybrid drive and a full HD touch screen display, and it runs Windows 8, which is obsolete in my opinion, but still it gets the work done, and it costs $1,000. These are the headphones which I have. It's called the Sony XB450 extra bass headphones. It has a 30mm driver which has a really powerful bass. It has an electro bass booster built into it to provide deep beats without distorting the vocals of the people singing the song. It delivers a very powerful bass, and then it has swivel design, so it can be kept inside your bag when you're traveling. Suppose you're going to college or you're traveling across the world in an airplane. It's excellent headphone for you to consider. These are the portable speakers which I own. They're called the SRS XB20 wireless speakers. It has an extra bass button for deep punchy sound, which is what is mentioned on the website. It has a single colored line light across the edges. I got the green variation, so it has the green light. It has 12 hours of battery life, which is quite remarkable for a portable speaker. It's water resistant, as the new line of Sony speakers are. And yeah, it has a wireless party chain capacity. The speaker size is 42mm, and it has a micro USB and a stereo mini jack. These are the sneakers which I recently bought for my travels to Thailand. The reason why I bought these are the black, which means they go with almost all the outfits, and then they're made of polyester. It's a casual sneaker and it's a lace-up shoe. So overall, great sneakers. Has a textured back by the crocodile pattern, and then it has a lace hole which is green in color. Excellent shoe. This is the watch I own. It's the Sony Smartwatch 2. It's a generation 2 of Sony smartwatches. It's not waterproof, which is a con, but it does have, you can make and receive calls, read texts, emails, posts from social networking websites like Twitter and Facebook. So it's just a basic watch, nothing really basic smartwatch. Well, it costs 13,000. The starting price is 13,000 rupees. These are the glasses which I recently bought. They're from the Italian company called Solitaire. They're the Wayfarer design, Wayfarer / Clubmaster design. Yeah, they look really good though. and they have the crystal lenses. This is the pen which I rarely use, but it's from the company called Parker, and it has really nice handwriting. Finally, this is the phone which I own. It's called the Xiaomi Redmi Note 4. It has a display of 5.5 inch, a processor of 2 GHz octa-core. The front megapixel camera is 5 megapixel, and the back is 13 megapixel, if I reckon. And the storage which it contains is 64 GB. The resolution is full HD, and the RAM is 4 GB. It runs Android OS 6.0. Overall, really great phone in order for you to use. Though I would recommend upgrading to the Note 5 if you're in 2018.